Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the essentials are ready. Turn Bluetooth on and grant the fast pairing app Bluetooth and location permission so discovery works. Once you've done that, check battery levels, keep devices above 20%, and bring them within 1 to 2 meters. Open the app and tap Start, then pick the target device from the scan list. This initial action begins pairing and lets the app exchange the necessary credentials quickly, avoiding retries and time-consuming manual searches. Once you select the device, follow the on-screen PIN or confirmation prompt and verify the codes match so you avoid connecting to the wrong gadget. Grant any additional permissions the app requests, contacts, or media, because those enable richer features after pairing. Watch the progress indicator. This stage exchanges keys and configures profiles. Make sure you don't close the app or move devices too far apart. Interruptions cause timeouts. If prompted, accept profile installs or firmware prompts to complete setup smoothly. You finish by confirming the app shows connected and by testing the primary function, play audio or transfer a file to ensure the link works. Make sure auto reconnect is enabled so future connections are automatic. This saves time next use. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart the fast pairing app, and attempt pairing again within 30 seconds so the device cache is clear. If issues persist, reboot both devices and retry the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.